MabinogiHON. I am the bard lucky to tell the tale of Welsh football folklore, of our mythical legends in shimpads and boots in McCreadie. As one, we are a draig gork, roused from slumber for Switzerland to take on the world in defiance. Ariannu emerges from the mist of the dugout, leads with grace and honour. Fishlocks strike a sword that slashes the goal netting, slays the monster of prejudice. We too have Rhiannon, who rides this Ceffyl Cork, mystical woman of resilience. And Hadet, our Wedi'i, proud in red and rainbow, her fated path we follow. Hear of the cauldron of Kerry. She brews a potion with one secret ingredient, nutmeg. Ymlaen, you red hounds of Rhian, your tales will be told. O Cymru, our history is our armour.